Yo guys, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up? Let's like up the stream. Let's get the retweets going on the post. Let's get it going. Come on, come on, come on. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. I'll see you guys in 6 minutes. All right, 6 minutes. What up, guys? So those joined. What up, what up? Let's get some questions in, tickers, all that kind of stuff. All right, the normal. On Friday, I'll mention again, but just for now, on Friday I'll be going over the Discord for those who want to join, since we are closing it for I think 1 month or 2 months. So we'll be going over that as well. All right. See you guys in 3 minutes. Rightio. Let's go. You see it? Cool. Perfect. Let's like up the stream, guys. We've got 50 people in here so far. Let me retweet this so we can get it. Guys, retweet the post so we can get some people in here. Get more people in here. We'll get more people in here. Let's get it going. Let's push the gas. Right, let's get started. How's everybody doing? How are the holidays? So this week is a little bit of a different one, right? Because we have New Year's Day, New Year's Eve, and all those things. Most people are actually trading. I think maybe just because Dubai, it's a little bit different here, where a lot of people just take off pretty much till the end of the year. So for me, what's gonna happen is today I'm gonna be on for a couple hours, and I have like a gala dinner thing later tonight. And then tomorrow I will be here maybe for an hour after open, and then it's New Year's Eve, so it will be like 6:30 p.m. I have to get to a place where I'm going, so yeah, the traffic's gonna be a nightmare, so I won't be on much tomorrow. I'll be here maybe an hour after open. And then first, the market's closed. Thursday, Friday, I expect it to just be slow. People hungover, whatever. The market, the volume won't be there. In my opinion, on the 6th, everything will be back to normal, which is great. But yeah, this week is just a little bit of a weird one, just with all the timings and the dates and all that stuff. So that's kind of what happened. All right. Hope you guys are all well. Okay, let's see. Happy holidays. What up, Totes? Nice to see you. Snap. What up, what up, what up? Santa won't come this year. Santa was fantastic this year. Welcome back. Welcome. What up, Uzi? Guys, watch PLRZ. I had this on my watch list. Why did I take it off? Where is it? PLRZ, yeah, wait for 307 in my opinion to look for an entry. 307, perhaps hold Tuesday for the day. BKYI, let's see. BKYI, 17%. It's moving up a little bit. Let's go to the 4 hour and see what's going on. So what I did was, since I didn't trade last week at all, I was just adding all the top gainers and just looking on Webull every day, the pre-market moves, and I just added all of them. And then from there, I kind of just figured out which plays were moving last week. And then this week, I just, obviously today, just focusing on these movers right now. So kind of just keeping some of the ones from last week and then seeing which ones hold into today. This has room to 195 though. BKYI, it's moving up right now. Broken this high. No, it needs to break 175 high. You see this here? So that's a double top here. So this needs to break above 175 for entries. Breaks that, then you should be all right. BBAI. Let's like up the stream, guys. Let's go. I gave this literally down here as a swing 2 weeks ago. Discord members, swings will be back probably next week or the week after until I see some volume and things, because it'll be a little bit weird with the setups at the moment. So we'll just wait that out for maybe a week or two. This one needs 469, 585. So these are your levels for BBAI. If I'm looking for an entry, it has to be above 469. Currently in the downtrend at resistance. Yeah, just BBAI, wait for 469 break to enter. All right, 469 equals entries. PBM. This ran last week, I think. No, it did not. PBM, there's nothing on this, to be honest. Look, this is when I had high volume, right? You can see high volume, size of the candles. A lot of volume, little volume. A lot of volume, low volume. Now, low volume. You don't want to be trading something like this. I personally would wait for like 320 if I had to take a trade, because you have room all the way to upside here. There's too much, too much noise, too much resistance, a lot of indecision right there. So needs 320 break for entries. Break 320, then you'll be all right. DRCT, this one's a weird one. It used to run back in the day, not anymore. Yeah, DRCT, I would say kind of the same setup here. High volume, low volume. Right now, nothing. 385 maybe for entries. Other than that, I just wouldn't be in it. If you're in it, down more than 7%, I simply would just cut it. That's kind of how I would do it. DRCT needs 385 break. 385 break. What up, Mohammed? PLRZ. Yeah, PLRZ here needs this. I would not enter this unless 307 breaks. I would not touch it. anything below 307, anything in this white zone, you are not touching it anyway, all the way to 0. Who cares, right? You are focusing on 307 and above. You just have to wait. LGMK, someone asked me about this. The stock is bearish. I don't see any potential on it. Nothing. Nothing on LGMK, unfortunately. I don't see anything. Maybe it's starting to curl up a bit. Maybe above 180. You could look for entries. First thing, we just wait. Where do I go now? REKR. This one, I lost on this one, sadly. At the moment, it's just coming down. I would personally wait for this downtrend or just VWAP in general because it's still in a strong downtrend. Difficult to know. I think it's starting to curl up into open, which is obviously a good sign. Other than that, it's just nothing really exciting about this. So still in the downtrend. It's trying to reverse. Just wait for downtrend break. So REKR, wait for downtrend break to enter. All right, REKR. So you can copy this on the 5-minute, draw from here down, breaks downtrend. You can look for an entry. Hold X. If you're down 7%, cut it. 5%, cut it. Just cut it and move on. That's the best way. INTZ, I'd be out. I cut that one as well. Not me getting on NXU points. Oh yeah, the NXU was insane. Look at this. Oh, insane. I drew this for a member in the Discord and it just kept going. SMX. SMX is just ranging at the moment, right? So ignore this big candle here. Let's just focus on something like this. What it's doing, up, down, up, down, up, down, right? For me personally, I would wait for 5845 to enter because a lot of resistance here, ranging, there's indecision, not really too sure what's happening here. So I know if it breaks this level, high probability to go up. I don't know what will happen anywhere below this. All right. So SMX needs 0.5845. Thoughts on Hollow? I mean, it's up 24%. Took me 3 times to finally get in this trade. Yeah, I mean, at the moment, I wouldn't be entering it just because I don't really know what's happening. Above 325, probably good entries to push the upside. It is up 24%, 64% on Friday. Yeah, high probability will go up. We'll see. We will see what happens. But yeah, there's a lot of people talking about this play. I day trade it. I'm not holding it long term. I'm not holding it overnight. I don't care. Right? I'm focusing on what the stock is giving me based on a short time frame, and then I make my decision where I want to enter from there. So we'll see. We need RVPH. So RVPH, wait for 192 break. Bit of a weird one here. I don't know if this is a gap fill. What is this? It might be a gap fill. Yeah, it's a gap fill here to 224. So yeah, above 192 would be good for entries, I would say. ABAT down 9%. Nothing on ABAT. I would just mark the high. I'm going to use the 1 hour here as clear. 374. Let's just push it to 375 like that. There you go. 375. Now just wait for this to break because right now it's coming down. It's down 9%. I know it was up 7% on Friday, but just wait for it. So what is this? ABAT. Wait for 375 break to enter. All right, 375 break equals entries. QUBT, how the Q stocks do last week? I didn't really see. Down 4%. Looks like they all pulled back. At the moment, nothing, to be honest. I would say this is your resistance, $21. I would wait for $21. Maybe if it comes down this demand zone at $12, $13 would be good. But at the moment, you're just kind of in this range. Like this. I mean, I like to make things as bullish as I can. Try and see if there's a bullish pennant, to be honest. It's a little bit of a tough one, but yeah, we'll see. Personally, I would just wait for this $21. QUBT needs $21 break. needs $21 break. WLDS. WLDS, I would say, needs this level here. What is this? $2, like 202 break for entries. Anything below, I wouldn't touch it. So WLDS, this is a former run as well, so keep that in mind. So we have WLDS needs 202 break for entries. Yeah, anything below doesn't matter. All right. QBT, NUWE, let me have a look. 1%. Wait for this 141 on NWE. NWE, wait for 141 break to enter. All right, 141 break equals entries. Anything below, leave it. Okay, NWE. Yeah, NWE, I know it's a former runner, but there's nothing really interesting happening on that. WATT, what? This one was moving quite nicely. I would wait for 156 break to enter, then you have room to 175, then 205. Personally, yeah, a little bit difficult. It isn't a bullish pennant, I would say, but I would just wait for that extra confirmation at the moment. ADD, nothing on this. Yeah, ADD, absolutely nothing. Just leave it, unfortunately. Did you guys do RR? RR's here. Nothing unless 314. If I'm taking an entry, it has to be above 314. Anything below, I don't care. Or even 315, sorry. 315 break equals entries on RR. Anything below, it doesn't matter. All right, so if you're looking for an entry, RR, wait for 315 to enter the trade. All right, cool. Trying to just make it as easy as possible for you guys, right? I'm trying to just make it simple and easy. 315 break, entry. Anything else? Nothing. Leave it. Don't care about the MACD. Don't care about the RSI. Don't care about any Bollinger Bands. Don't care about what the news is, who the CEO is. We're focusing on the chart. 315 break, entry. Anything else? Nada. AHL. AHL. Let's like up the stream, guys. How many likes we got here? Come on, guys. We've got 18 likes in here. We've got 90 people. Let's get going. Come on. Let's get going. Otherwise, these live sessions are going to be done. They're going to be finito. As long as you support it, I will continue to do it. But if people don't want to support it, then I will not do it. All right? I don't have to do this. So you decide. It's literally just one click of a button. It doesn't cost you a cent. It costs you 2 seconds of your life to click. AHL, wait for break above 0.2275. Yeah, AHL, nothing really going on with this at the moment. CTM, I like this play for today. I think this is going to be today's run in my opinion. So yeah, I'll be watching this one. That does not mean buy it now. I will wait for my entry and see what happens. But I do like this play. PDYN, this is former runner, up 15% at the moment. Nothing really going on. It is very bullish overall chart. Obviously, we can see it pulling back. I would say 1450. 1450 is probably the best entry point because it's the high, breaks the high with volume. It should continue to go up. Right now, it's pulling back. I would just, yeah, simply wait for 1450. So what is this? We have PDYN, wait for 1450 to enter. All right. Buru, let me look. What's happening with Buru? Buru 9%. I mean, this thing has been rallying, I'll be honest, but I just don't like this stock in general. It doesn't really have a good reputation. So 0.85. Yeah, you have 0.85 here, which is pretty good. Wickfill, so Buru has a 0.85. This doesn't mean that it's going to run and hit that level, all right? It just means that there is a probability that it can come and fill this wick. However, when you're entering a trade, you're aiming for your realistic target. You're not aiming for, what is this, 0.85 to here. So that means you're not aiming from here to here. You're not aiming for a 30% move. You should be out at least, you should sell like 10%, maybe 5% even. Then keep scaling out as you go if it keeps pushing up. That's the way to trade. You don't hold for 40, 50% moves. CTM, whatever that one, PYN, lock up stream, it's free. That's right. CLCO, that's none. CLCO, very low volume on this. I'm not really a fan of it, to be honest. Coolco, yeah, I don't see any potential on this. Maybe above like $8. But yeah, at the moment, I don't really see anything, unfortunately. Hollow, gone over it. I'll go over it again. Hollow, if you're looking for an entry, it should be above $3.25. All right? Hollow's looking good, though. So the volume is coming in. If you want to take an entry now, you can, or you can just wait for $3.25. Lays, what's happening with Lays? Lays is looking good as well. We have a bullish pennant on this. I'm going to just do some of this. Yes, I've gone through this top wick here. Doesn't matter. It's not the end of the world. All right. So Lays needs downtrend break. It's pushing up 7%. We'll wait and see what it does do, though. Probably will trade today. Hollow, what is here? Save this, everybody. Save this, everybody. Please screenshot this. Look at your screen right now. You are waiting to enter above 156. Not 155, not 154, not 142, not $1. It's 156 and above. That is your entry point. If you enter below and it keeps going down, that is your own fault because you did not listen. I told you 156 or above. AMIX, I'll add this to my watch list. I see it running crazy. I'm not going to be taking this trade. If I was, maybe above this high here at 655. Right, we can go to the 4 hour and see where next key levels are. Has this got a gap fill or something? Yeah. What is this at? $6. Yeah, it's like trying to fill this gap right now, to be honest. So this has a gap fill, which is obviously bullish, and that is a good sign. But it is right at that level. No, it's at $6. It's at 606. So I'll show you daily gap fill. So I'll show you something. Right, this is a daily gap fill. The price, if you look at it right now, 580. Right, it's like moving a lot. So it's around here. So it needs to get to at least 665. Then it should start to fill the gap. Has a massive daily gap fill. Keep this on watch though. I like this one. Yeah, keep Amex on watch. PDYN, CLCO, Watt, Amex, CHRS. This one always seems to be, it used to be a former run, I remember. CHRX. At the moment, I don't see anything on CHRX. I personally like to focus on something that's bullish. Maybe a possible falling wedge actually. So yeah, doesn't look too bad. It just needs volume. It's difficult for me to analyze what's going to happen when I don't see any volume on this play. Although the only thing I do know is that it's a former runner. Possible falling wedge here. So yeah, CHRS falling wedge. Falling wedge, falling wedge, falling wedge. What? CHRS. NXU is here. It's very bullish. Looks great. 0.9 is hitting it. 0.94. Very nice. 0.94. Then you have $1. $1. $1. I just put it in blue. It's my psychological level line. Color. 15. We'll just focus on these for now. There you go. That is, these are your levels. 1.32. Very nice on this. $1 break, then you should be cooking on this. What hollow makes AL? Excuse me. AILE. Down 10%. Yeah, nothing for me on this, unfortunately. Yeah, I don't see anything. Maybe above 72 cents. Thanks, Tiger. Appreciate it. Couldn't be any easier. Let's go. CTM. 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 What's happening? CTM. What's happening here? CTM. I like this play. I'm going to watch it for today. I do like this play. Has a wick fill to 305. I would say if it can hold at least this 215, you should be all right. QSI, these are the Q stocks. QSI, wait for 396 break. Break above 396, you can look for an entry. Anything below, I would just leave it. Let's keep on watching. There you go. QSI needs 396 break. INTZ, this one was dying off, I think. Yeah, INTZ, I think this will reverse eventually because it is a top gain. It's up 90%, up 380% on Friday. So yeah, I personally think that this will run. When's the best time to enter? I would wait for above 491 or maybe above like 450. Anyone swinging NVNI under 4? I wouldn't swing these reform runners, NVNI. Well, I don't know anything about the stock. Right now, I wouldn't be touching this simply because there is no sign of reversal. It's still in a downtrend. It's below $4. Yeah, difficult to swing something that's still going down, in my opinion. Do I own any cool cars? I have a BMW. Amex is exploring. Exploding. Exploring. Yeah, well, nothing now. Sorry, I looked at that late probably. Boom, thanks, NXU. Nice, NXU, well done. SKK, what's cooking with this thing? SKK, we have a wick fill here at 189. This is a crazy wick fill here at 257. Whoa. You can keep this on watch though. Crazy wick fill. IBRX. What's happening here? IBRX, I don't know, it's difficult right now. I personally would just wait for around this level. I know it's a lot higher than where you probably would like to enter, but that confirmation just gives you this clean range to the upside. Here you have resistance, here, right? So IBRX, wait for 327 break to enter. Guys, also one thing to mention, Hassie is going to be doing Sunday swing session. Not Sunday swing, sorry, what is it called? I'll tell you now what it's called. What was his post? So Hassie's going to be doing Sunday scans. So live streams on YouTube. He's going to be doing potential tickers, large caps, mid caps, and probably small caps as well. A lot of people like that, so I think he'll be doing it on Sundays. Every Sunday he'll be doing it. Like, yes, let's go. Al Armari, which stock are you talking about? I can't see. I cannot see which one you're talking about. So since I cannot see which ticker you're talking about, I will just ignore it. I know you spoke on it. Entry on CTM here above here. I like CTM. I just wouldn't enter now. I don't like to enter just before open. I would wait. If you want to enter now, you can enter now. I expect it to fill this wick. If it doesn't fill it, it doesn't fill it. I will wait because if market opens and it dumps, I'll wait for a reversal here to get my push to the upside. I don't want to enter here and it comes down, right? I'm not in any rush. I don't need a rush. I'm not in, you know, it's not the end of the world. There's patience. Patience is a virtue. There is no rush at all. No one is rushing you. Someone else is asking for another ticker. I don't know what they're talking about, which ticker it is, so I will just ignore it. If the ticker has been posted more than 3 times, it has been blocked from me. I just ignore it because it's rude, impatient, and those people are terrible stock traders because they have no patience, they have no discipline, and they don't know what to do. And if they don't get their way, and they keep spamming, they have no patience. So now you have to suffer and wait another 24 hours for that ticker to be talked about. Unless someone else talks about it. BIOA has a crazy gap fill here, but nothing for me. Nothing for me, unfortunately. Wait, this isn't NXU. What is this stock? This is... Oh, SKK. Right, SKK. Let me edit this quickly. Accident, because the number of shares is small. Yeah. Okay. Do you explain how to understand these charts in Discord? Yes, I do. I do every single thing that you need to learn to be a profitable trade in the Discord. In the Discord, I explain every single reasoning why I enter a trade. I give you my strategy. I tell you why I enter the trade. You can see how to trade and see why I enter the trade. You can then understand my charts. You can see what the colors are. You can understand everything. I explain it during live trading, step by step by step. There are tons of videos and seminars for you to learn. You can learn from the basics, from support and resistance, all the way to the strategy, understanding everything that you need to know and what I do in the Discord, and exactly the same as what Hassi does. So yes, everything is there in the Discord. Every single thing. That is it. RR, I don't really see anything on this unless 315. So break above 315 is your entry point, Basil. Anything below, just leave it. NXU, let's go. Damn, NXU went. Nice on NXU. Well done. Good morning. Happy holidays. Oh, Luna, I haven't heard that one in a while. Let me have a look. I think it's been very bullish or not. Coming down still. It's not too bad. I would just say at the moment it's on a pullback. So I would wait. Maybe like loading zone here around this demand zone level, like $16. So I would wait around there because this is where buyers would step in the demand zone, because you don't want to be buying in the middle of, you know, like here's difficult area because there's no support here. So I would just wait for this demand zone here, demand zone. Heading to demand zone. Yeah, this is heading to demand zone. So let's see what it does do. Good morning, LICN. Is this a former runner? LICN 20% down. I don't know. I would just leave this. Honestly, I would just leave this. How do you switch? Why do you switch to different time frames chart instead of using the same one each time? Because I use the 4-hour time frame for larger levels to understand the key levels. So if I'm on the 5-minute here, I don't know where the key levels are. So I trade on the 5 minutes. I take my entries on the 5-minute and I use the 4-hour. 4-hour. I use the 4-hour to see where the key levels are. So I know on the larger time frame now what is going on. So I have this marked. All right. On the 4-hour, and I'll have around here. Let's say, for instance, this is my levels. Now, I will go down to the 5-minute and understand, okay, where am I going to take my trade? Where am I going to enter the trade? And then from there, you will learn how I take these trades and where I enter based on the strategy that I teach. It's the whole seminars there. I have about 7 or 8 strategies, but I give you at least 2 or 3 of them because you don't need to know all of them. But there are more seminars coming out on them. But yeah. That's about it. But I use the 5-minute to trade. I don't use the 1-minute. I don't use the 15-minute. I don't use the weekly, daily, 5-minute. But yes, exactly what Eric said. Different time frames show different things. So long-term traders would use weekly, monthly. Swing traders use 1 hour, 4-hour. Day traders use 1-minute, 5-minute, 15-minute. That's the easiest way I can explain it. Are you going to make a trade live? I do it on the Discord every single day. You can see every single trade that I take. I give you my stop loss. I give you my target. I give you my entry. Everything is there for you. And then you can see my daily recaps and which ones I lost on, which ones we won on, all those great things. I have 2 years of everything. I have over like 8,000 trades posted in the Discord that you can look back at every single trade. And I have about a 75-78% win rate over the last 4 years. That means if you enter my trades, you will lose 22% of the time, 25% of the time. The other times, you'll win. But if you want to learn how to trade, that is what I focus on, and that's what I teach you. I teach you how I trade and how I take the trade so you can do it. Mr. Almari, brother, please calm down. I can see your message, all right? You're going to have to wait 24 hours now for me to talk about the stock, all right? I can see it. It is very rude that you are spamming it. I can see your message. I have the same eyes as you. Now you need to wait, okay? So you can wait till tomorrow. Here, how's it going? What up, Masab? NLSP. Someone asked me about this earlier. NLSP, nothing really at the moment. It's just in a downtrend. I would, if anything, maybe above 385 or just 470. You know? You know? Ride, we are, is this EV? Ride group, I don't know if it is. So ride, we have 1 hour like this here, 0.65 I would wait. There's not much entry. I mean, not much volume on this. at the moment. So I would wait for 0.65 to enter. Nvidia, I think I saw last time downtrend. It's in like a demand zone. Bit difficult on this. I don't know. I think till next year, it's gonna be like this. To be honest, till next week, pretty much. Pretty much next week. How is CTM looking? Let's see. CTM's just chilling. Guys, you shouldn't be in this. I'm just going to wait till open. I have it on my watch list and I have it there and I've saved it. Now I'll wait till open and see what happens and then I'll look for my entry from there. Right now, nothing is really happening. Just trading sideways, up, down, up, down, up, down. LWLG. This has no volume on this. I personally would avoid it, but if you have to take a trade entry, maybe above here, 230. Report him. I'm just gonna ignore it. Is there a fee to join? Yes, there is a fee to join the Discord. Both myself and Hassie are in there. We give you everything you need to be a successful trader. We give you your alerts if you want the alerts. So if you want to know where the stop loss target, you have a risk management plan, you have swing trades where you hold over a couple days. We have day trades. I teach you how I trade, my strategy, everything is there, journaling, everything is there. We do live trading every single day for 2 hours plus a day. And I do this. Lots of educational content, seminars, all those things are in there as well. So that is what you're paying for. You're paying for our time and you are paying for all the skills that we have learned over the years that we've been trading. Every single trade that I've posted in the Discord is recorded in the Discord so you can see full transparency, every single win, every single loss. It is all there. I will be going over the Discord on Friday so everybody can see what is inside of the Discord and what they can expect because the Discord will be closing in January. Hollow 320, I think it was 325. Oh, Hollow's looking good. 325, yeah. Looks good. Any Discord members take the candle strategy on this? Would be banking. Hollow's moving up. Nice. Anyone did take it? Looks good. Who took this? Anybody take it when I said the volume was coming in? If anyone did, well done. Some stocks raised 100% pre-market. How do these people be so early? You can trade pre-market, but they just drop news and stuff. They dropped news. So they dropped the news, earnings, mergers, whatever it is. But yeah, if you want to trade pre-market, use a broker that does. Some stocks free. Cheers, me. I'll be entering. Awesome. Thanks. Tiger Lays. Lays looked alright. I saw it. Lays. No, Lays is in a downtrend at the moment. I would wait for this downtrend to break. So I don't know. It could be here. It could be down here all the way. So just go on the 1 hour and I would just draw this. FFIE. It's looking alright. 235 break. I would look for an entry. Do you like PLRZ breakout? Let's see. For me, it's difficult. I would either wait for VWAP or wait for 307. All right, are you delete? No, guys, the Discord is not getting deleted. The Discord is staying exactly the same. We are just locking it and closing it so we can focus on the members that we have. We're not going to be promoting it. We're not going to be letting people in. That is what we're doing. So we will be announcing that everyone can join. You can join now if you want. Here is the link, but it will be closing early July for probably a month or 2 months. We do not have any promo codes, no free trials, none of that stuff. All right. We have everything you need. You can read every single review. There's loads of reviews there. We don't ask members to do it, or we do sometimes ask them to do it, but we don't tell them what to write. It's up to them what they write. It just helps us. So people who want to join, like yourself, want to know what's going on, you can have a look. Everything is there. It's completely up to you. So people think $90 is a lot. To me, it's extremely cheap. I would, if it was my choice, I would charge $500 a month because the value that you get, it is a lot of value. So yeah, gotta remember, there are a lot of Discords out there, but in my opinion, the people that stay in our Discord, we have a very high retention rate. So when people join, they don't leave because they can see. If you've been in other Discords, it's a lot different to those. We don't pump and dump. We teach you how to trade so you can have the skill. We're not here to make quick money, telling you, giving you 1,000 alerts. You know, that's not the way to trade. We are realistic. We win, we lose, but we win a lot more because we know how to trade properly and manage our risk. What needs 156? I would say 156 break can be your entry. PLRZ, I would wait for 307. This Octo. Octo's okay. I don't know. It's just chilling right now. Nothing really going on it. But yeah, no promo codes and that stuff, guys. Unfortunately, sorry, we don't have any promo codes and all that stuff. Made 350. Nice, Carlos. That is 3 months in the Discord. How's Hollow looking? Wow, Hollow's cooking. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. It is fire. Discord, guys, no, the Discord is not getting deleted. Everyone who's in the Discord now is fine. You are fine. Nothing will change. Your price won't go up. You won't get kicked. You are there. You are in. It's fine. I'm talking to people that want to join in the future, right? In January, we're going to be closing it for a bit. That's all. This is the link. Mitchell, click on this link. Once you click on that link, you will see there is a 1 month and a 3 month tier. 1 month is $90. 3 months is $230. If you do the 3 month, I think it works out to like $68 a month instead of $90. That's it. That is it. So up to you. I don't promote it much on Twitter. But yeah, if you want to join, you can join. Awesome, Superman. Superman, let me just DM you. There's a couple people that have joined. So all the people that just joined, give me a sec. For those who joined, you need to watch the intro video, okay? Watch the intro video. It is extremely important because listen here, right? This is a little bit different because I'm just trying to explain something about the Discord because we get a lot of people joining and want to know. When you join the Discord, okay, I understand because I've been in everyone's situation when I started trading and all these fun things, is you just want to make all the alerts, make all the money, quick, money. That is not how it works. You need to watch and take the time because we have an intro video to show you and it walks you through everything you need to do in the Discord. So you watch that intro video, all your questions will be answered. Then you can go through episode 1, episode 2, episode 3, all of that stuff. Everything is in order for you to learn and be a fantastic trader, right? So you need to take the time. It takes 10, 20 minutes out of your day, right? Because a lot of times if you just want to get in because you think everyone's making money, yes, they are because they know how to trade and they understand it properly, all right? So just do it. Watch the intro video. Well done on Hollow. It is up. Let me see how much percent since I mentioned. All right. I did not take the trade because I am here. It's up 33%. Nice. How much to join? Yes. Is that Weeble? Yes, it's Weeble. Top left. Intro video raid. All right, guys. I need to go into the Discord, okay? New members that join, there's 6 of you. Please read your intro video. It's extremely important. If you don't, I'm simply just going to ignore you because every single question you've asked me is in there. All right. I'll catch you guys in the Discord. The link is there. It's the WAP link. Don't have a Telegram. Don't have a WhatsApp. None of that BS. All right. I will see you guys later. Have a great day. Peace out.